Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to redeem your TikTok rewards in 2025. Whether you have earned your money from the TikTok Creators Fund, gifts or referral rewards, I will walk you through the exact steps to cash out. Let's get started. So first, open the TikTok application on your mobile phone. Now tap on your profile icon at the bottom right side of the screen. Now click on the three-line icon at the top right and click on balance option. Now, when you navigate to balance, it will show up your current TikTok balance. You will see it just right here. So here you will see your TikTok rewards or earnings. Now, you'll have to navigate to step 2 that is clicking on the rewards option. So here what you'll have to do is click on the others option, and if you'll have any funds available in your TikTok, it will show up just under others. Click there and it will take you to another page. Now, you'll have to navigate there and click on income button. Now, on this page, you will see an option that will say income. You'll have to click on income and it will take you to another page where it will ask you to verify your income account. Simply enter the 6-digit code you will receive on your mobile phone or email. Now, after entering that code, you'll be taken to this page where you'll have to click on the withdraw button. After you click on the withdraw button, it will take you to this page where you'll have your withdrawal account connected. Now, you can click there and choose another option like bank transfer or PayPal. After you choose another option, you'll have to just enter the amount that you want to withdraw and click on withdraw now button. Now, when you click on withdraw now button, it will instantly withdraw your money from your TikTok account. So, that is a simple way through which you can redeem your TikTok rewards in 2025 by withdrawing your TikTok money. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.